gamete transfer. In the last video, we have discussed about the gametogenesis, that is the formation of a gametes. Now coming to gamete transfer. Yes, soon after the formation of the gamete, they has to get under the process called fertilization. Hence, in order to facilitate this fertilization process, both the male and female gamete should be physically brought together. So how come? This is for this process, the gamete should be transferred. How these gametes will transfer? Some of the male and female gametes both will be motile, so that there will be no problem that both the male gamete and female gamete moves because they are motile and hence the fertilization occurs. But in some cases, only the male gamete will be motile and in some cases female will be stationary. In that cases, the gamete needs a medium in order to occur the fertilization. For most of the organisms like algae, radiophytes, water is the medium where the gamete moves and the fertilization occurs. Male gametes produces in a more number because they will be mainly and they will be highly available to the predators in the water medium. And in some cases like seed plant, this gamete transfer occurs by the transfer of the pollen grains, where the pollen grain sits on the stigma of the female flower and the fertilization occurs. But in some cases like bisexual plants where the self-pollination occurs, it will be very easy because the male and female reproductive organ will be present in a single parent, hence the fertilization will occur easily without any difficulties. But in case of the unisexual, cross-pollination occurs where the male parent will be different and the female parent will be different. In this case, pollination occurs where the pollen grains sits on the stigma of the female plant body. That pollen grain sits on the stigma and it generates the pollen tube. Through the pollen tube, this male gamete reaches the ovum or egg in the ovum and fertilization takes place. This is how the gamete transfer takes place in these cases. While in case of the animals, in order to make the gamete transfer, this animal has to go through the special mechanism. When the successful gamete transfer occurs, fertilization occurs. And the next event is fertilization. The fertilization means the fusion of a male and female gametes is called as the fertilization. It is one of the main event in the sexual reproduction. This is also called as the syngamy. This fertilization has two forms. First one is external fertilization, where the fusion of a male and female gametes takes place outside the body, outside the organism body. For example, in the water medium, like you can give some algae, bryophytes and some bony fishes. In these cases, the gamete transfer of the male will be more in number because they will be more available to the predators. And coming to the next fertilization, that is internal fertilization, where the fusion of a male and female gametes takes place inside the body. This is called as the internal fertilization. In case of the plants, the pollination, as I said, the pollination occurs, that may be the self or the cross pollination. This is how the fertilization takes place, and here we use the term syngamy for the fertilization. Example for the inner fertilization is human beings, some higher animals and some higher plants. Well, I have finished the second event, that is fertilization, and in the next video let me come up with the one more event, that is post fertilization. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and please press the bell icon. Bye bye.